Welcome to the Rome Assembly Walkthrough by Aero Systems West. Part 1, Frame Kit. Now that the upper frame is assembled and installed, we are moving on to the lower frame prep. For this step, you'll need the lower frame, the payload rails, and the rail mounts. You'll also be using hardware from Bag F, hardware from Bag G, Bag H, and Bag J, along with the battery foam. Go ahead and lay everything out so it's easy to access before we begin assembly. Using hardware H, install the rail end caps to both ends of each rail. Repeat this process for both rails, using all 4 end caps. Now we're going to start assembling the lower payload rail frame. You'll need hardware bag F, a 3/32 hex driver, a 0.05-inch hex driver, and thread locker. Follow along with the video for where the rail mounts go onto the payload rail frame plate. There will be 2 screws per rail mount, 4 per frame. We find it easiest to put the screw through and hold it in place as shown. Apply the thread locker on the backside and thread on the rail mount for the first screw. Then apply thread locker to the next screw and tighten it in. During final tightening, apply light pressure with your thumb to keep the rail mount aligned as the hardware seats. Repeat this process on both sides of the payload rail frame plate. Repeat the process again for the second payload rail frame plate. Now we're going to repeat the same process of installing the rail mounts onto the battery plate components. Just as you did before, it's easiest to put the first screw in, apply the thread locker, twist the rail mount on, then apply the second screw with thread locker. Repeat this for each side and each battery plate. Now we're going to install hardware G with the 0.05-inch hex driver and add set screws to each of these rail mounts. Each of the rail mounts has a small hole where the set screws thread in. You'll want them to bite enough to avoid falling out, but don't tighten them all the way, as you'll need to make adjustments in the upcoming steps. Repeat installing the set screw into all 8 of the rail mounts. Next, attach the battery foam pad from bag L to the battery mounting plates. Remove the adhesive backing and press firmly into place. The foam should be installed on the same side as the rail mounts. Repeat for both battery mounting plates. After that, we'll straighten out the Velcro to make it easier to work with. A note about early-stage product development is that there may be some small discrepancies between what is shown here. For example, Velcro was originally Bag J, but has since been updated to Bag I. Thread the Velcro battery straps from Bag I through the mounting plate. We make a nice loop here for a battery pack. Repeat for both battery mounting plates.